Okay, so basically, I'm gonna start taking out the motor. Uh, since it's my first time, I'll just start unscrewing screws and see how it goes. $14. Whoever, nobody uses a 14. But I guess that's what I'm gonna have to go with. I think it's easier to. So to take this motor mount out, I mean, it really is a motor mount. It's using a 14 millimeter, which is highly unusual for America, but this is I think a Japanese, Chinese scooter, one of those. They use all kind of millimeters. They don't even know nothing about no inches. And we gotten to that point too, really. So 14 millimeter might start being more common than before. Now there's a bracket over here that's stopping me from getting this one bolt off, and I can't get the screw out of there right now. I need some WD-40, which I ran out of. I'm gonna have to try something else. I can't get that bolt off right now, so I'm gonna go to the next bolt. I will say I'm gonna get another 14, which I got another 14 that I don't use, but it probably won't be a 14 when I go to put it back, because I'm not putting the end motor back on there. At least not this motor. It's an electric motor, and I don't know if it's gonna fit that way or not. Which I doubt it. I'm gonna show you what I think I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do a hub motor because the hub motor costs another $100 more onto my budget, maybe $200 more to my budget, including the batteries I still got to get. So I'm gonna not use the hub motor. I'm gonna use a mid motor. I'm gonna show you what I mean by mid motor, which is kind of sense it's gonna be in the middle, and probably save me $200 on this project, and of course make my own battery, use my own cells, which will save me a couple $100 too, and it's gonna give me more because I can make it any kind of shape and put more cells in there, so I can get better range than what others are getting. I'm going for, I need at least, hopefully I can get a 50, 60 mile range somehow. I'm pretty sure I ain't gonna be going that far each day. 50, 60 miles. The furthest I'll probably go, I know Home Depot is probably like, that's almost 10 miles out there, maybe 8 or something. And so a round trip, that's 16 miles, give or take. So I'm just gonna say 20 miles. You know, my brother Stan stay out there almost to Alexis by by Homer's on Detroit, and really it's more like Lewis in Detroit. That's about same far as Home Depot, about almost 10 miles. So I'm gonna say that's 20 miles. That's about as far as I go. So 50 miles. If I can get a 50-mile range, I'm good to go. No gas, no noise, good speed. I'm gonna try to get at least 40 miles an hour out of this mug. I ain't gonna be doing no more than that on the scooter. You know, most likely it's be 25, maxing out at 30 sometime when I want to, do something. So let's continue taking this apart. Oh, it seems like this whole motor, check this out.